Hi friends, Adele from Go Balik. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching another one of my videos. Long time no see, no talk, no hear. I know I disappeared there after the Miami video. I said I'd be boarding NCL Sky and taking you back to a resort that I had been to before, but you know what? I'm new to this vlogging thing and editing. Oh my goodness, it's like overwhelming, and then you have work and then you have real life and then you never get to it. So look, I'm going to try my best to pump out more content. Thank you so much for following me anyway. Hopefully these videos are helpful to you. But here I am today to be of help. Here's a budget-friendly, all-inclusive resort in Puerto Morelos. It's called Ventus Ha at Marina El Cid. Staying here means you get access to Ventus and Marina El Cid. There truly is something for everybody here. So you get to stay in one, play in three. If you stay at Ventus Ha, you get a newer resort, you get a rooftop pool. Of course, if you stay at the other two resorts, you could come visit here as well. But the aesthetic and the vibe here is a little bit more like boho chic, which is perfect for a girl trip. This is a room that my girlfriend stayed in with her daughter. Her daughter was celebrating a birthday, and complimentary decors and a cake could be added to your reservation. You just gotta let them know you're celebrating a special occasion. Some resorts charge for that. Cruises definitely charge for that. So this was a nice treat. We didn't stay platinum level this time. We booked these standard junior suite king rooms, but as you can see, they're perfectly great. If you need something extra like water, soap, linens, anything at all, let concierge know. Write a note in Spanish or let front desk know and they'll hook you up. So you don't absolutely have to be platinum. The food isn't gourmet level, but the main buffet is really good. It's called Dolores Mercado. If you've been to this resort, if you know, you know. It's good. Thanks for watching.